Eric is here, ready to roll, ready to get some tacos and horchata. Ahí está. Alright, we're here. They don't want them doing that.
Why not?
Because it's bad for their business.
Yo, where the fuck are we gonna chill and drink beer and listen to fucking conjuntos? Y me cagan la puta verga, güey. Ni tienen para las putas llantas.
Everyone's dipping? Híjole. Watch out, Caesar. Gotta be careful.
¿Está quemando?
Oh, this is me. Alright guys, we finna pop out this bitch. We finna pop out of here because shit's getting hot. People are getting mad. There's a lot of burnouts and donuts going on illegally and they're ruining the meat. So we're out of here, we're cold. I gotta wake up early. I'll catch you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.
Bye.